Hello, animal explorers. Welcome back to Exoteria, the channel where amazing animals come to life. If you love cute, curious, and super cool creatures, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hop into the fun with us. Today's animal, the rabbit. Rabbits might look small and fluffy, but they are full of surprises. Let's learn some awesome rabbit facts that are perfect for kids. What is a rabbit? Rabbits are small mammals that live all over the world. They have long ears, soft fur, and powerful back legs that help them hop really fast. Even though many people think rabbits are rodents like mice, they are actually part of a special group called lagomorphs. Why are rabbit ears so big? Rabbit ears aren't just cute, they are super useful. Their big ears help them hear tiny sounds from far away. Stay cool on hot days. Rabbits can even move their ears in different directions at the same time. That means they can listen for danger while munching on snacks. What do rabbits eat? Rabbits are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. Their favorite foods include grass leaves, vegetables like carrots, herbs, and hay. Fun fact, carrots are more like a treat, not a meal. Too many carrots can give rabbits a tummy ache. How do rabbits move? Rabbits don't walk or run like we do. They hop. Their strong back legs help them jump really high, run super fast, zigzag to escape predators. Some rabbits can hop faster than a bicycle riding through a park. Where do rabbits live? Wild rabbits live in underground homes called burrows. These burrows connect to form a rabbit neighborhood called a warren. Living underground helps rabbits stay safe from predators, keep warm in winter, stay cool in summer. Pet rabbits usually live in cozy homes with soft bedding and lots of space to hop. How do rabbits communicate? Rabbits are quiet animals, but they have special ways to talk. They thump their back feet when they sense danger. They wiggle their noses when they're curious. They can even purr softly by grinding their teeth when they're happy. That nose wiggle helps them smell better too. Baby rabbits. Baby rabbits are called kits. They are born with no fur, with eyes closed, very tiny and helpless. Their mum takes great care of them until they are strong enough to explore the world. Fun rabbit facts. Rabbits can't throw up, ever. Their teeth never stop growing. A happy rabbit might jump and twist in the air. This is called a binky. Rabbits are smart, fast, gentle, and full of personality. Whether they live in the wild or as pets, they are amazing animals that deserve kindness and care. Thanks for hopping by Exoteria. If you enjoyed learning about rabbits, give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments which animal you want to learn about next. Until next time, stay curious and stay wild.